Welcome to Champion EdTech. Today's game changer, NVIDIA's mind-blowing PDF AI extraction tool. Imagine processing massive PDF libraries in hours, not days. Data scientists and enterprises. Are you tired of manually extracting insights? Spending weeks analyzing documents? Limited by traditional data processing methods? NVIDIA's revolutionary AI workflow extracts insights from any PDF, handles terabytes of data, powered by 4x H100 GPUs, lightning-fast processing, enterprise-grade accuracy. Key features: NeMo Retriever microservices, customizable workflow, Wikipedia-scale data processing in 24 hours. This isn't just technology, it's a data revolution. Who can benefit? Research institutions turning years of research into instant insights. Enterprise data teams processing massive document archives. AI developers building smarter extraction tools. Academic researchers accelerating knowledge discovery. Ready to revolutionize your data extraction with NVIDIA? Hit subscribe. Smash that like button. Drop a comment below.